Hey YouTubers, it's Chris from BitBuy Crypto. Just wanted to talk about setting limit orders when you're trading crypto. Now the best way in a bull run to maximize profits or minimize losses is really to set up limit orders as the market is rising. And I'll show you in BitBuy, for example, it's a Canadian exchange, bitbuy.ca, how you can do that. And there's a few ways that you can do that. But what I like to do is just set basic sell limit orders at a certain threshold. So if you're looking at like Link Crypto here, in this case, I've got a couple of open sell orders, which are basically limit orders, and versus a market order, which just buys at the current time with the market price. So right now Link is approaching $30. I think it's at about 28 or 29, and this order will sell 25 Link tokens, crypto shares, at $30 each, which is $750. And the same goes for ETH. I'm going to sell a third of an ETH at $5,000 if it hits $5,000. I think it's $4,600 right now, and I think Link right now is at maybe $28 or $27. So this is just a basic way to lock in profits in a rising market and just minimize risk on your portfolio. You know, waiting months and months for the absolute peak and trying to hit it is next to impossible. So just yeah, want to make sure people know that this is sort of a a good way to, again, minimize losses but maximize returns over the long haul, because timing the market is very risky, and this isn't financial advice, but limit orders can help minimize risk for trading. There's, again, in BitBuy, there's also a pro level interface which gives you all the candles and all the details on various crypto. And so you'll see ETH, right now is trading at 4,642. Again, you can toggle between market and limit orders. So if you want to, again, set a market order or limit order, sorry, for 75% of what you've got, and you can sell at that amount, and it's a smart way to, again, minimize losses and yeah, and just get profits along the way. Get rich slowly, right? Don't get rich, try and get rich quickly, because yeah, the market is too volatile, and it's risky to try and time the market, and it's also near impossible. Anyway, hope that little tip helps. BitBuy is great, but other software or exchanges will have market versus limit orders available, and you can experiment with that. I like to, again, sell 10% of maybe a crypto in a market order at a time at maybe 2 or 3 thresholds as the market's rising. So for various coins like Link or ETH, you might want to set a limit order at 5,000, 6,000, or 5,500, maybe 3 limit orders for 10% each. So at best, you'll sell 30% of your crypto, and you'll be selling above purchase, or at least that's the theory. Anyway, hope that helps. Thanks. Please like and subscribe.